Assalamu alaikum, Huzur.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
I would like to know if a Muslim is allowed to put someone in a trial, like Allah put us in trial.
Put the money
in trial.
Can a Muslim put another Muslim in a trial, like Allah does with the believers?
In accordance with Allah's dictates, one can put others to trials, not otherwise. If it is so designed by Allah that a Muslim should put another to trial, only then he can do it, not otherwise. Thank you. In many similar cases, the trial is for both. Allah so wants to try a person with another person, and this is a mutual trial in which one is made instrumental, and the outcome of that is shared by both in the sight of Allah. So Allah watches this trial. So this situation is not specific. She has asked a general question, so I am answering this in generalities. If she had quoted a specific case, then I could have answered it more clearly.